What's up, crypto crew, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time, I'm Captain Crypto Mite, actively escaping the matrix, scoping out the crypto ocean. So if you like your odds, get on the boat, stay up to date, thumbs up, and join the hunt.
Into the boat!
And not only so, but we glory in tribulations also, knowing that tribulation worketh patience, and patience experience, and experience hope. Crypto crew, after months of anticipation, we finally landed our first ever Tier 1 exchange listing. Kraken has just listed Kaspa on November 19, 2024. And on top of that, on-chain data suggests that Binance could be next in line. Now, we've seen an incredible surge with Bitcoin soaring past $90,000, reaching a staggering all-time high of $93,400 per BTC. And crypto crew, to me, this is just the beginning of Bitcoin's bull cycle. By the end of 2025, we could be eyeing a breakthrough of 150,000 or maybe even 200,000 USD per Bitcoin. So buckle up because we're in for a wild ride on this crypto ocean over the next year.
What other cryptocurrency should you buy? What's the next Bitcoin? Well,
making smart decisions now, crypto crew, could lead to millions during the peak of this bull run. However, it is crucial to remember that the choices you make today are in fact the right ones. This bull run feels very similar to what we've experienced back in 2021, which kicked off exactly 4 years ago in November of 2020. Now we are here in November of 2024 with Bitcoin breaking all-time highs, and just like back in 2020, we hope to keep our ascent into price discovery. Recently, Bitcoin has been consolidating around the 87 to 91,000 range, which might indicate a slight cool down as ETF buying has temporarily ceased, accompanied by some significant outflows over the past few days. But there's no time to waste in getting exposure to the best opportunities right now. We could easily see a return to aggressive price discovery as we push towards the 100,000 USD per Bitcoin mark, which should be the next major psychological mark. Now over to Kaspa, as the Kaspa community has been eagerly waiting for a Tier 1 exchange listing, and finally Kraken is stepping up to the plate. Starting today, Kaspa is spot listed on Kraken, opening the door to a wave of new retail buyers to acquire Kas. This is the mainstream attention that this top 30 cryptocurrency truly deserves. And depending on Bitcoin's movements, we could witness a massive first week for Kaspa on Kraken.
No dough, no show.
With the recent announcement, we saw significant price pump from 12 cents to 15 cents in just one day. However, exchanges like Maxi and Gate.io continue their usual price manipulation tactics, keeping prices as low as possible, leading to a short-lived pump followed by a correction. As I mentioned on this channel many times, crypto crew, I urge you to withdraw your Kaspa from exchanges that includes Maxi and Gate.io or any other centralized exchanges. Instead, consider holding your assets in a self-custody wallet like Tangem. Not only is it more secure, but it also protects you from centralized exchanges using your funds for their manipulation schemes. Tangem is easy to use, and the defense has been great for me, as it has been for many Caspians who use the Tangem. And this allows you to have full custody over your Kaspa, so if you wish to order your Tangem today, you can get 10% off by clicking the link in the description box below. With Kraken spot listing for Kaspa and the involvement of other highly regulated Tier 1 exchanges, the influence of Maxi and Gate will diminish fast. They will have less power to manipulate and suppress the price for Kaspa, especially with the influx of retail money heading to Kraken and away from Gate.io and Maxi. I'm confident that within the next month we'll break out of the consolidation phase and push toward massive new all-time highs. Now, the block explorer shows that out of the top 5 Kaspa addresses, 2 are unknown. One of them most likely is Kraken, as they need substantial liquidity to support the traffic from Kaspa's listing. Notably, Wallet 5 has seen significant transactions depositing millions of dollars worth of Kaspa over the past month. On the same day Kraken announced the listing, there was a test transaction of 1 Kas followed by another deposit, suggesting that Wallet 5 could indeed belong to Kraken. And this also implies that Wallet 2, holding over 110 million US dollars worth of Kaspa, might belong to another tier 1 exchange preparing to spot list Kaspa. This wallet began accumulating Kaspa back in December of 2023, coinciding with Binance listing Kaspa on perpetuals and opening up Kaspa for mining in their Binance mining pool. All signs point to Wallet 2 being associated with Binance. Binance is clearly ready to spot list Kaspa. And as this Kaspa AMA on Binance shows, it is crystal clear Binance knows Kaspa very well on a foundational level. Not to mention the Kaspa AMA was Binance's most viewed AMA ever.
So, I mean, like I said previously, Kaspa fulfills, it's the perfect form of money. So, of course, it's going to be a real world payment system. Even more so, it could be a stateless world reserve currency. So, to create a perfect form of money must possess 3 different qualities. First, it must be a store of value. Second, it must function as a medium of exchange. And third, it must act as a unit of account. The most difficult qualities for a form of money to obtain from this triangular puzzle, so to speak, are the store value and the medium of exchange part. So there's 3 necessary conditions for good to be a store of value. It must have unforgeable costliness. This means that it's expensive and it's difficult to forge, replicate, or produce. And secondly, there has to be a mechanism in place to restrict the ease of forgery, replication, or production. So in the case of gold and silver, this would be mining. And in the case of proof of work, this would be the difficulty adjustment in addition to mining as well. Also, there has to be an objective supply instead of a subjective supply, thereby creating an objective unit account. So money has to be hard, and its hardness is determined by its stock to flow ratio. Historically, gold, silver, the gold standard, and Bitcoin have functioned like store of value. We've never seen a hard form of money that has been a good medium exchange. This is why fiat was so revolutionary, as bad of a store value as it is. It was the first form of money that was saleable across space, so it could handle settlement speeds that we've never seen before. And Bitcoin tried to function like a medium exchange, but it fell short of this because it's slow, cumbersome, expensive to handle high settlement speeds that match fiat, for example. So with Kaspa, you have a solution to the current traditional payment system, as it's as fast as fiat, but as hard as proof of work. And decentralized finance could finally be decentralized once smart contracts are implemented within Kaspa.
With the Kraken listing for Kaspa, we're witnessing a domino effect. Investors on exchanges like Binance, Crypto.com, and Coinbase may switch to Kraken, as it is now the only top-tier regulated exchange offering Kaspa. To avoid losing a significant customer base, Tier 1 exchanges like Binance will likely want to list Kaspa as soon as possible in order to compete with Kraken. While the Kraken listing is monumental for Kaspa and our community, it's important to note that Kraken isn't the largest exchange in the US or worldwide. However, this spot listing will undoubtedly boost Kaspa's trading volume. Once Binance sees this surge, they will be eager to list Kaspa as well. So yes, the domino effect has begun at a perfect time, coinciding with Bitcoin's bull run. And by the way, Kraken's announcement of listing Kaspa was the most viewed and liked tweet ever, showing just how excited the Kraken investors are to start buying Kaspa.
And you're bearish on Kaspa right now? If you can't hold, you're never going to be rich, especially in crypto.
The listing also opens the door for KRC20 meme coins built on top of the Kaspa network to potentially be listed on Kraken in the future, which would be a game changer for the entire Kaspa or KRC20 ecosystem. There is news that Kraken will list list 3 KRC20 meme coins soon, with Nacho the cat being the first and for now only one to be disclosed. Given that Nacho is the premier KRC20 meme coin, one of the core devs as cat, the narrative will be that of Bonk to Solana and Shiba Inu to Ethereum. Nacho has stunning visuals, giving off a premier KRC20 meme coin vibe with a solid community of semi-professionals working diligently and passionately on Nacho. So, Crypto Crew, which KRC20 meme coins do you think are the current 2 mystery projects that Kraken will list alongside Nacho the cat, should it turn out like this? I will make a vid one of these days about the 3 of my favorite KRC20 meme coins and why Kraken should take a look at these 3 projects. If not now, soon, in the not so distant future as part of the 2025 bull run. I personally believe that as Kaspa is garnering more attention with more tier 1 exchanges coming, the Kaspa ecosystem will grow organically and massively as well. And that means right now, the biggest KRC20 meme coins are extremely undervalued, 5 or maybe 10 times lower than their actual or at least potential value. You can watch a vid about my current 7 favorite KRC20 meme coins here.
Pump it up.
And not only so, but we glory in tribulations also, knowing that tribulation worketh patience, and patience experience, and experience hope. Success on this crypto ocean, Crypto Crew, especially during this bull run, comes to those who patiently wait.
Stick around.
Fix your mind before you get to the grind. And with that said, let's continue to escape the matrix. Let's continue to be on the lookout for the next big thing here on the crypto ocean, growing grace, and let's make some crypto waves. Say I.